Multiply 3.14 by 121 using long multiplication. Start with the ones digit, 1. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. The first partial product is 314. Now use the tens digit, 2. Start one place to the left. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times 3 is 6. The second partial product is 6,280. Now use the hundreds digit, 1. Start two places to the left. 1 times 4 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. The third partial product is 31,400. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 4 plus 0 is 4. In the tens column, 1 plus 8 plus 0 is 9. In the hundreds column, 3 plus 2 plus 4 is 9. In the thousands column, 6 plus 1 is 7. In the 10,000s column, bring down 3. The product of the whole numbers is 37,994. Count the highlighted digits after each decimal point. The factors have 2 decimal places altogether, so the product needs 2 decimal places. Place the decimal point 2 places from the right. 37,994 becomes 379.94. So 3.14 times 121 is 379.94.